The Uyghur population in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region has increased. Official data show from 2010 to 2018, the Uyghur population in Xinjiang rose by 2.55 million to 12.72 million. That is an increase of 25.04%. The growth is higher than that of other ethnic groups in the region. The figure was 3 million in 1953 when the country conducted its first census. The current Uyghur population is 4 times that number in the region. Meanwhile, the ethnic group's birth rate during the period was 11.9 per thousand people, higher than that of the total population as well as the Han ethnic group. The maternal mortality rate and the infant mortality rate in Xinjiang all declined during the period. Officials say that is because the healthcare for women and children in the region has been continuously improved.